Nikki from Nikki Lilly. So today I'm here with my mum and dad. This is my dad George.
Hello.
And this is my mum Tanya.
Hello.
So today, I don't know if you guys saw, but we did a Primark challenge and they had, was it £20?
It was £25.
£25 to find me a whole outfit from t-shirt to shoes. And that was super fun. So I thought it'd be really fun to bring them back and do an ASOS challenge. So the theme was a party going out clothing look, and they had a limit of £50. Now on ASOS that's quite hard. I feel like the Primark challenge was a little bit easier.
Definitely, it was definitely easier when we went to Primark. I think if we had gone to Primark, I would have found it easier. I think it's trying to keep in budget, really.
That's why I said you couldn't go to Primark. How did you find it, Dad?
Piece of cake.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Your outfit's going to be better than
Stop
mine
making
again.
excuses because because you're making excuses. I'm the winner. You should just stop now and just tell them that I won.
Daddy's the winner.
Yeah, I think
thanks for watching, guys.
We don't even have to even bother opening this package. I know I've won.
Okay, so whose package shall I open first?
Mummy's, of course.
Mummy's?
Yep.
Are you happy with your outfit?
I think it could have been a bit more
adventurous. Right, oh, there's one shoe in here. Oh, two, there we go. Right, we've got some new look leopard print pumps. I don't really wear pumps. They're nice, like
They're very nice.
I love leopard print.
You've got to see how they will go, really, first.
Yeah, they might go.
Yeah, so what have we got next then?
Okay, we have a headband. A very sequiny headband.
Ooh.
Well, you said party, so sequins are everywhere, aren't they?
I love sequins. I've worn them quite a lot this year. I don't usually wear sequins. Oh, look at that, Dad. It's like jewel
That's so
tone.
cool, isn't it?
That's very
Does it
cool.
change, actually?
Yeah.
That's really
Very
cool.
nice.
I like the colours, don't you?
Yeah, so it's like gold and black. Very nice.
Very
And
nice.
it's from Misguided. Next, we have a jumpsuit.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
That's got, you have to see that on, don't you, I suppose?
Yeah.
It's quite low cut.
Yeah, but you could wear a camisole underneath it, can't you?
Oh.
So we've got a jumpsuit. Low cut jumpsuit.
It's kind of ruched and sort of fitted under the bust, I think,
Okay.
and then wide legged.
Okay.
Oh.
Got that.
And that's it.
Oh, alright then.
That's it. That's
That's my
£50, yeah.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to hand you the stuff. So, Mummy handed you the shoes first. So I'll do that
Did you get
first.
some shoes as well?
So I'll do that. It was an outfit, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
So I've gone for
Oh, they're
those.
so cool.
Leopard print trainers.
I really like them. I want a pair of these.
So,
How much did you spend?
£48.
Dad,
Oh,
that's
God,
great.
They're really cool.
They're so nice.
I want them.
They're very nice.
Okay, so I went for an accessory.
Oh, Dad's going to win.
Okay.
Okay.
So I went
Accessory
for
wise, what did you go
an
for?
accessory, a bag.
Ooh!
Kind of a cool bag for an
And this is
accessory.
only £48.
Yeah.
That's a really
That's a
cool
cool
bag.
bag.
Oh no, you've done really
This
well.
reminds me of like a bag they'd have in
How did you
Clueless.
do that?
Yeah, so I thought I'd get you that because
That's so nice. Wait, can I
of
open
course,
it?
yeah. There you go.
That is so cool, Dad. And it's got a strap.
Yeah.
That's really cool. You did really well. I know. Now you're overdoing the leopard.
Oh, you went for leopard and leopard. And
You don't double leopard.
I
I'm
do.
afraid.
I double leopard. I love wide
You
right.
don't
I
do double leopard.
So it's like that, kind of
Wait.
a party-ish
Oh,
kind
it's
of.
from Pretty Little Thing.
Yeah.
So it's like a.
It's so cool.
That's
It's very
really nice. And then you've got, because at first I thought it was a little bit big, but actually you've got the ties.
I thought I'd accessorise it with a black bag. So yeah, that's my outfit.
Very nice.
I think that would fit really nice because you've
Yeah.
got those that go around the waist. So do
dear, you've
you want
done
to try
really
them
well.
on?
Shall I try them on?
So do you want to try them on
Yeah.
and agree that mine's the best?
Yours is the
I
best?
actually think
Okay.
I actually think you've won this one.
So
Why didn't I see this?
you see, very
Why
nice.
didn't I see this?
Don't shop wisely, Mum.
Yeah, you see.
Not
Well,
like Dad.
I
I feel like last time Mum won, but this time Dad's going to win.
No,
Mum,
he's gonna.
You said that Mum won, but the viewers said that mine was.
No.
Yeah, they did.
They said Dad won.
Yeah. Should I do Mum's first?
Yeah, do Mum's first.
Right.
Oh no.
Go for
Got
it.
the shoes, the headband.
I've got a feeling like if you can mix elements up, you've actually got a good outfit for both of us.
Oh,
What do you think?
looks quite elegant actually.
It's very elegant. It's a very elegant. Maybe it's a bit grown up, perhaps. I don't know.
It's a bit big. Like,
yeah, it's low there.
it's very low.
I think you'd have to wear just like a real like.
It's nearly lower than my bra.
I do think it's elegant. Don't you think it's elegant?
Yeah. I mean, the headband's really nice.
Yeah.
It was hard to get on, but it's really
Yeah, I
nice.
think it's quite.
The shoes I do like.
I do like the shoes.
They're a little bit uncomfortable, but that's just because I don't like pumps.
Yeah.
But I think they are really nice shoes.
Yeah.
And then this, I think it was quite a struggle to get into because I didn't know what way it was. But I do think it's nice, and it would be nicer if, you know, this was higher.
Yeah, you'd have to adjust that slightly. Yeah, if you adjusted that slightly, there. But the sleeves are nice. I really like the sleeves.
Yeah,
I think it's really nice. It's,
Yeah.
it's very elegant.
And then even if, like, because this bit's a bit big, so if I wore a belt.
Yeah, it might be nice to sit with a
Like,
belt.
I've got leopard
Your
print
leopard
belt.
belt.
As far as party looks go, under £50.
I think it's very elegant. I think the sleeves are cut lovely. That they sit really nice like that. I just think it's a very. You could go out to dinner or to
I
a
feel
really
like
nice
that woman.
party. What do you think?
very good. Very
Yeah?
nice. Very nice. Not as nice as mine, but it's nice. As you'll see
Just
soon.
the low cutness. Okay, Daddy, do you want to see what I look like in your look?
100%.
Okay.
Go.
Right, let me grab your stuff. Bonjour!
Oh my god, it's so nice.
You like?
It's so nice.
I must say, like, already I think Dad's won.
Yes, so do I.
Really?
I have to say.
Dad's got it this time.
Really suits you, Nikki.
I love the dress. I want the
It
dress.
fits my body really nicely, and yeah, I just really like it. It's a perfect length. It's just above the knee. And then the shoes are really comfy as well. I don't actually think it's too leopard print.
No, it's not. It really works. As Dad said, the bag breaks it up.
And also the shoes are a different colour, like they're more of a dark brown.
Yeah. I like this because it's kind of a subtly leopard as well. It's
and
not
I like the material as well. It was very hard to get my head into.
Was it?
Yeah, this hole is very small.
Okay.
But yeah, no, I really like this.
Excellent.
Mummy and Daddy, you both did a good job.
Oh,
But Daddy won this time.
I'm just a fashion guru, aren't I, really?
Got
Fashion guru, me.
Have you
That's
got
me.
anything to say, Mummy, about your loss? It's 1-1
I
now,
take it
isn't
graciously because I have to say that I would wear this outfit.
And it is
It's done
1-1
a really
now,
good,
because you're both neck and neck, because you won in the Primark challenge,
So
in my opinion.
What's our next
Ooh.
thing gonna do?
Oh, we should let the viewers decide.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea.
idea.
Where would
Yeah.
you like my mum and dad to shop next? And is there a theme that you'd like them to have, or is there a price limit? Let us know in the comments down below, and I'll also put a poll in this video so you guys can decide who won. So that's it for this video, everyone. Mummy and Daddy, thank you so much for taking part.
Thank you for having us. Sorry I did such a
Don't say
bad job
sorry.
this time.
Don't say sorry, but yeah, like you both did a really good job. Like
No,
£50 is a hard price.
Well, actually, as Dad said, his was only £42.
48.
Well, no, because postage and packing he paid for cost him £6.
Yeah.
So he actually only spent £42, and he got a bag, a dress, and shoes. And I have to say,
I love them shoes. And they're very comfy as well.
I'm going to get a pair of those
You're
shoes.
not allowed because I'm keeping them.
Yeah, but I'm just going to buy them and wear them when you're not here, when you're at
She
school.
can't do that.
I can.
You're like, pick
when
me up.
I'm not with you, I'm going to be twinning with you.
Guys, what have you started?
I'll do that.
Yeah, make sure you like this video if you liked it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go click that red button.
Yep.
We have got over 500,000 subscribers now, which is insane. So yeah, click the button so we get closer to 1 million, which is crazy.
It is
Insane.
credible.
Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.